Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Creative Hands by Shay. So in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to make a crochet earring. So I have a few materials here on my desk. I have my two-part hook here. This one is a size 2 and this one is on this side is a size 1 hook, but I will be using the size 2 part here. I have my earring part there that you insert in your ear. I also have some little metal flower here, and I have some little loops here. So I will be using these to attach to my earring. I have my jewelry pliers here and my scissors and also my yarn. So I will be using crochet thread. So this one is the Aunt Lydia's classic 10. So I will be doubling the strand to make it a little bit thicker. I have this black one here, and this one is also Aunt Lydia's thread as well. So this one is fashion 3. So this one is a thicker size. So I went ahead and I made one of the earrings. So this is what it looks like. It is looking super simple and cute. So Independence Day will be celebrated on August 6th. So I wanted to make something representing that day. So that is Independence for Jamaica. That's the day that Jamaica will be celebrating independence. So I just wanted to make something representing that time as it is a part of my roots. So I decided that I wanted to do an earring. So guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I hope that you will love what you see and you will stay here with me. To my regular viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for being here, guys. So let's jump in the video. So guys, I will be using the green thread first. So what I will do is I will insert my hook like this, wrap it around, pull up a loop to make a slip knot. So now that we have made our slip knot, I am going to go ahead and chain 15. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 15. So now that I have my 15 chains here, I am going to go ahead and insert my hook into this first chain that we made. So now that we have done so, you're just going to use your yarn to pull through. So now we have a circle here, just like a magic ring. So you're going to go ahead and chain up 3. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And into this space here, you are going to put 32 double crochets. Let me just redo that. And you're going to carry this tail end along with you, and you're going to weave in as you go along. So you don't have that excess tail end dangling out. So I am just going to continue doing this, making my 32 double crochets. Once I am through, I'll meet back up with you. So guys, and now I have come to the end of making my 32 stitches here, and I'm going to slip stitch into my first chain up 3 there. Now that I have done so, I am going to go ahead and chain 1, and we are going to make single crochets into the back loop. So this back one here, so on this side we will be working into those loops. So the one that is facing towards you, we won't work into both loops, but the one in the back. So I am just going to go ahead, insert my hook there, make a single crochet, and then I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to go ahead again, make a single crochet into the back loop only, and then chain 1, single crochet in the back loop, chain 1, and you're going to continue doing this right around until you get back to the end, and I will meet you there. So single crochet and then back loop. Sorry, single crochet in the back loop and then chain 1. So continue doing that and I will meet you. So guys, now I have come to the end here and I have one more stitches remaining. And this is what our first ring looks like. So now I am going to slip stitch into one of these, chain 1 and fasten off. Now we are going to get our needle here and just weave this part in. Now I'm going to cut the excess off. And now we are going to move on to the yellow. So what you're going to do is you are going to repeat the same steps by chaining 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So now that I have my 15 there, I am just going to insert this part inside of my ring here. Attach my yarn. Let me just redo that. So attach my yarn into that first stitch here. And then chain of 3. Now that we have done so, remember we are weaving in this tail end as we go along. You are going to make 32 double crochets on this ring. And you're just basically going to continue doing that right around and repeat the same steps as we did here. So each time you're going around, you just pull your work so that you get all the circle easy. So just pull as you go along. So I'm just going to continue doing that and I'll meet you there at the end. So guys, now I have come to the end here and I'm going to slip stitch into our chain of 3. And just as we did before, chain 1 and then single crochet, chain 1, single crochet into the back loop of each stitches and chain 1 and continue doing that right around. So I will meet you at the end. So guys, now I have come to the end here and I'm just going to make my slip stitch. And just as we did again, we are going to fasten off, chain 1, and then weave the tail end in. Now I'm going to cut this part off, and there it is. So what I'm going to do is just pull this part down, and I am going to go ahead and attach this part here. So you want to make sure that this part is lining up with the center part of this here, and you are just gonna pry this part open here, just a touch. You don't have to go too far. And as I again make sure that it is lining up, and just attach your earring onto this part here. Once you have done so, you are going to squeeze that part so that it does not come loose. Okay, so now that is fastened on together, you can see. And this part is optional. You don't have to add anything else to it because it is looking super cute as it is. But I just wanted to add these little, looking for the other one. Yeah, so I just wanted to add these onto the end. So what I do is to, do it like this. Okay, so once I have it on, then I go ahead and making sure that it is all leveled up. So I'm just going to go in the end part here and then just give it a squeeze. And there it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the other two on, and then I'll meet back with you. So guys, this is the end look here of our earring, and it is looking super cute. I love the way how it turned out. So guys, you can make this in any color of your choice. So if you love the Jamaican colors and you want to make it in the Jamaican color as well, you can also go ahead and do so. So guys, I thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please like, comment, share, and tell me what you think. Thanks again for watching, guys. Until next time, bye.